My first clinical trial I participated in was with a product known as creatine. Creatine is probably familiar to some of you. It's a substance that's naturally found in the muscles of in your body, and it helps with bodybuilders. Many bodybuilders use it to build strength when they're working out and build muscle mass. And so the study I was in was looking at the effects of creatine and how it might slow the progression of Parkinson's disease. It was a study I started in May 24th of 2010, and it was a 5-year study. And it's called a double-blind study. And what a double-blind study is that neither the doctor nor the patient are aware of whether I'm getting the pure product, creatine, or a placebo. I chose to do this study as a starting point in my journey with Parkinson's to see if I could have some benefit of the procedure with taking the creatine. I took 2 packets of powder a day. They were unmarked packets with a white powder in them, one in the morning and one in the evening. And I did that for about 4 years, every day. And I'd go up periodically, every 6 months to a year, up to UCSF, and I would check in with the doctor and see if there's any changes in my symptoms. They would look at my functionality, determine whether I'd have any changes, one positive or negatively. At about year 4, I was getting ready to start my final year as a 5-year study, and we were notified by a team of doctors from UCSF that were participating in the study, and they had done a webinar where they had invited us participants to listen in and hear what they had to say, and they had decided that they were going to abandon the study because they had discovered that at this point there was no positive effects or negative impact on any patients, and there was no safety issues as well, but they felt there wasn't enough data to continue the study either moving forward in any direction. So at that point I stopped the study, and I did not have any benefits that I could tell from the being on the creatine or the placebo. And I did find out at my next appointment that I was on the pure creatine. It didn't impact my Parkinson's in any way, but it was a learning experience, and I felt that it was probably something that helped, didn't further the study of Parkinson's in any way, but it was one more chance for me to contribute to the furthering of the studies of Parkinson's disease.